Jacqueline Fernandez goes international. Yes, we hear that she has bagged a lead role in Hollywood suspense thriller titled Definition of Fear. Definition of Fear is directed by documentary filmmaker James Simpson. This director has worked with Hollywood biggies like Al Pacino and Penelope Cruz. Jacqueline Fernandez, who was last seen in Kick with Salman, is currently busy with the Roy shoot, rumored to be playing a double role in Roy opposite Arjun Rampal and Ranbir Kapoor. The shooting of Roy is going on in Malaysia. Jacqueline will be heading to Canada after this for a Hollywood flick, Definition of Fear, for a month-long shoot. This leggy lass from Sri Lanka will for sure steal everyone with her looks and win over Hollywood as well. Roy is an upcoming Bollywood romantic action thriller film featuring Ranbir Kapoor, Jacqueline Fernandez and Arjun Rampal in lead roles. Directed by debutant Vikramjit Singh, it is slated to be out in February 2015. The trailer of Ranveer Singh and Parineeti Chopra's upcoming film Kill Dil has finally released. The trailer looks mind-blowing with power-packed action stunts. Singh, who plays the character Dev in the film, is seen spotting some terrific moments with actor Ali Zafar in the promo as they fight against some gangsters. Interestingly, Govinda will be seen playing a negative role in the film as a character named Bhaiyaji. It appears like Pakistani actor Zafar has shed his lover boy image for a rough and tough-looking Kill Dil. The highlight of the film is Chopra, who is seen sporting a bold and stylish look at the same time. Moreover, Chopra's hot smooch with Singh and the romance between Good Day actor and Zafar will definitely be a treat for the fans. Going by the 2-minute 13 seconds trailer, the film looks promising with fire guns and action sequences. In one of the scenes, Chopra is seen riding a bike too. The romantic action thriller Kill Dil, produced by Yash Raj Productions, is about the heart's role to fool an innocent victim of love. The title of the film is inspired from the Hollywood movie Kill Bill, directed by Shad Ali of Satya and Bunty or Bubbly fame, and produced by Aditya Chopra under the banner of Yash Raj Films. Kill Dil will also mark the comeback of Govinda. The film is scheduled to hit the theatres on 14th of November 2014. Southern actor Aditya Menon, who has worked in films such as Vilua and Eega, says his upcoming Hindi film Main Hoon Rajnikant is a tribute to the Tamil superstar and is not intended to portray him in a bad light. Actor Rajnikant Wednesday petitioned in Madras High Court for a stay on the release of Main Hoon Rajnikant for using his name without his consent. Our film is a tribute to Thalaivar. It is a comedy satire that will leave audience in splits. Nobody would dare to show Rajni sir in bad light through a film. How could we possibly do it? Aditya told. Besides the name, there is nothing in a film that defames Rajni sir. I am sure when people watch the film, they will realize it is a clean comedy entertainer, he said. Directed by Faisal Saif, Main Hoon Rajnikant features Aditya Menon in the lead as a CBI officer cum contract killer Rajnikant Rao. The film, produced by Varsha Production House, also features Kavita Radheshyam, Smita Gondkar, Reema Lagu, Sunil Pal, Ganesh Yadav and Shakti Kapoor in important roles. Aditya hopes that the stay on the film's release will be revoked soon. I hope we get to release our film smoothly. We have completed shooting. My director and producer will take a final call on this matter, he said. बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस दीपिका पादुकोण का क्लीवेज मामला काफी गरमाया हुआ है। जहां पूरा बॉलीवुड उनके साथ नजर आया, वहीं दूसरी तरफ पूजा बेदी ने इस पूरे मामले को आधारहीन करार देते हुए कहा है कि जब हम शाहरुख और ऋतिक के 6-पैक एब्स देखते हैं तब तो हमें कोई समस्या नहीं होती, बल्कि हम उनकी तारीफ ही करते हैं। तो फिर औरत के मामले में हमारा रवैया क्यों अलग हो जाता है? पूजा ने आगे कहा कि जब आप एक पब्लिक फिगर होते हैं तो किसी भी मीडिया इवेंट में आपकी नेल पॉलिश से लेकर आपकी फुटवेयर तक पर कैमरे की नजर होती है और आपको इस बात के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए। अगर किसी भी औरत के एसेट्स पर फोकस करना और उनकी तारीफ करना अपराध है तो सारे आइटम नंबर्स को भी बैन कर देना चाहिए। ये कहना कहाँ तक सही है कि पब्लिक अपीयरेंस में कपड़े ऐसे ही पहनूंगी, लेकिन आपको दूसरी नजर से देखना होगा। अपने घर में भी आप कपड़े पहनते वक्त इस बात का ख्याल रखते हो कि उन कपड़ों पर आपकी फैमिली, ससुर वाले, पति और यहाँ तक कि आपके पड़ोसी का क्या रिएक्शन होगा। एक सेलिब्रिटी की यही जिम्मेदारी है कि वो कैमरा के सामने जाने से पहले ये तय कर ले कि उसे क्या दिखाना है, क्या नहीं। और ये बेवकूफी है कि एक महिला अधिकारों की बात करते हुए आप ये सवाल उठाएं कि जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ उस पर आपकी नजर क्यों गई। हम हर चीज पर अपने नजरिए से रिएक्ट करते हैं और हमारा नजरिया तो हमारे लिए सही ही होता है, लेकिन हमें सिक्के के दूसरे पहलू पर भी ध्यान देना चाहिए। Katrina Kaif may have Ranbir Kapoor, but she doesn't have what Deepika Padukone has. Katrina was considered the lucky mascot a lot of times in the industry, with all her movies doing well. But now it is just Deepika whose name gets chanted over and over again. Here's why Deepika has defeated Katrina. Deepika Padukone might have lost out her love to Katrina Kaif, but she is now friends with him. In fact, she recently agreed that Ranbir and she are better off as friends, which means now Deepika has Ranbir as a friend. That's much more important in today's time. Yes, Katrina Kaif has Salman Khan, but Deepika Padukone has safely tucked under her belt Shah Rukh Khan, Saif Ali Khan, Imtiaz Ali and many more. Last year was dedicated to Deepika Padukone. She was part of the 500 crore club with Race 2 and Chennai Express, which made more than 100 crore each. Well, thanks for watching this video. Now hit the like button and subscribe our channel to watch more. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.